How to delete your Instagram account permanently. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Instagram account on permanently. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram and from here head over to your profile. Now you can just tap on the menu icon, then account center. Once you get here, before we go any further, I want you to head down below to hit this like button and subscribe to the channel as well. Let's continue. So the first thing that you want to do here is get over to your personal detail and tap on account ownership and control. You have option for deactivation or deletion, and you can deactivate or delete multiple accounts from here. You can just choose Instagram if you want to deactivate or delete your Instagram only. Now you see two options. The first one is if you temporarily want to deactivate your account, you can select the first option, but if you want to permanently delete it, select the second option. So after this, tap on continue and you can choose your option why you are going to delete your account. So I'm just going to choose something else, tap on continue. And now for verification purpose, Instagram will ask you to enter your password. So just enter your password on Instagram. Then if you tap on continue, your account will be permanently deleted. But you still have 7 days if you want to recover it. So with after you've deleted it, and if you change your mind, you can still recover it after 7 days. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.